Hello everyone! Welcome to Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Today I'm going out. I'm going to the garden center to buy some of my garden essentials. I will be needing some trellis for my climbing plants, and I'll be needing some fertilizers, garden soil, maybe some insecticides to keep my plants away from the insects, and many more things. So I'm gonna show you how I do it and what I'm gonna see in the garden center. So I will see you later. My first stop is at Home Depot Garden Center, where I will buy the basic needs in my garden, particularly for my vegetables and fruit trees. This metal screen will be used for my trellis, and also this metal post will be the main frame for the trellis. I'm getting 6 pieces of them, and this will be for my climbing plants like the beans, the cucumber, the bitter melon or ampalaya, and other climbing plants. While these sticks will be used as braces for the trellis or support. I am taking a few pieces of short sticks and 2 long sticks, which maybe I have to cut to fit for the size of my trellis. There are also ready-made vertical trellis, as you can see on the screen, and I also put the price in there so you would know how much are this materials for the garden. And I want you to take a look at the other things that I bought and the other things that I will be buying next from Home Depot. How I wish I could buy all those beautiful flowers at Home Depot. Now, let's go to the loading part. It's not an easy job. It needs some muscles. But if you love doing it, you will enjoy it. And because gardening is one of my favorite hobbies, so I like doing everything about it. And I like Home Depot. It's so convenient. They have a big parking lot. My next stop is at Dollarama, where you can buy gardening essentials for cheaper price of only $2 to $4. So I want you to see what I got and what I did at Dollarama. Well, I really had fun trying on those hats. On the next day of my shopping, I went to Lowe's Garden Center. And this time, I was able to buy my beautiful flowers. So that's my little adventure at the Lowe's Garden Center. My eyes are still looking at these beautiful flowers, but I have to go. Thank you guys for watching and being with me in this episode. I'll see you again. I hope you enjoyed our video today. Please always watch and subscribe to my channel, Menchie's Art and Hobbies. Bye-bye!